Meaning of dishonourably.
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 Dishonourably. The word dishonourably refers to behavior or actions that are considered to be immoral, unethical, or fraudulent, and that bring shame or disgrace to oneself or others. Engaging in actions that are considered dishonorable can have serious consequences for an individual, such as losing the trust and respect of their peers, damaging their reputation, and even facing legal repercussions. Dishonorable actions are generally seen as socially unacceptable and can result in negative outcomes for both the individual and those around them.